Are you feeling like your personal growth journey is actually making you more frustrated with life and angry at people? Then you might be on the path of misguided reconstruction. Now, reconstruction is a process that takes place after deconstruction, where you reconnect with the things that align with your values. However, as you can guess, there are different paths that this can take, and not all of them are great. I find it can be helpful to consider who you want to be coming out on the other side. You can use this as your North Star to keep track of yourself. I believe this North Star is to end up with a richer relationship with more aspects of your life. So one sign you might be off track is if your perspective of the world is becoming narrower. If you come out thinking there's only a single explanation of what is the problems of the world, or you pinpoint it to one person or one group that is sabotaging your success, then you are likely heading in a bad direction. Another sign is of deepening frustration, anger, and bitterness in your life. Maybe it's towards your former religion that you felt robbed you of experiences that you wish you had. Maybe it's towards the rich or the entitled, the stupid, or immoral people ruining society. Maybe it's towards your family that rejected you. Anger is normal during the reconstruction journey, but it is not the destination. Deconstruction brings us face to face with these emerging conflicts, while reconstruction should be about coming to terms with them. So I hope that helped. If you want to learn more about deconstruction and reconstruction, please check out our Integrate Thought playlist, and I hope to see you in another video.